Hack number 1. Ever noticed how dirty your keyboard gets? Grab a sticky note and run it between the keys to pick up crumbs and dust. It's quick, easy, and surprisingly effective. Look at all that gunk. You'll never want to clean your keyboard any other way. Hack number 2. Strip screws can be a pain, but all you need is a rubber band. Place it over the screw and use a screwdriver to turn it. The rubber provides extra grip. See? It works like a charm. No more frustration with those stubborn screws. Hack number 3. Can't open a stubborn jar? Grab a potato. Cut it in half, press it onto the lid, and twist. The traction will help you open it effortlessly. Who knew a potato could save the day? Perfect for those kitchen battles. Hack number 4. Tired of foggy glasses? Apply a bit of toothpaste to the lenses, then rinse it off. It creates a protective layer that helps prevent fogging. And voila! Clear vision, no more fog. Now that you've seen these hacks, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing life hacks. Comment below with your favorite hacks or any funny experiences you've had trying these out. Let's share the knowledge.